Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to unbox the new Z7 Smart Bracelet. Here we have the Z7 Smart Bracelet and it has a low brightness, so it's kinda hard to see this smart bracelet operation. So the Z7 has a 180 mAh battery, which it will last in about 10 days, a 1.3-inch screen with single button touch, and it has some functions starting with heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitor, call reminder, message reminder, anti-lost, etc. It supports iOS 8.0 and above and Android 4.2 and above. So we have here a simple smart bracelet, so let's go ahead and see the unboxing. So now that we have here the box, we can see that even the box is very simple. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. We have here first the user manual. In this side is in English, and in the other side is in Chinese. We have here the charger all wrapped up. In the side, as you can see, we have the bands. These are also the bands that clips in. And we have the smart watch itself. So let's go ahead and put these bands real quick. If you haven't saw any other video of us putting these kind of bands on, I recommend you go and see how these bands really works. So as you can see, they are very simple to use and very easy to put them on. So while I put the bands on, I turn the watch on, but it's very hard to see. The brightness is very low. And we have a button here in the side, as you can see. If you turn this, it doesn't do anything. If you press, it will start the watch. So I don't know what you can see, and here we have the first page. We have the clock, time and date. We have steps, kilometers, burn calories, sports, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, find phone, messages, the information about this smart bracelet, download app, and power off. As you can see, we have a simple, as I said, a simple smartwatch with some options that are very useful in day-to-day basic. So let's go ahead and test some of these options that we saw, and we could have an idea of what this watch is capable of. Here we have now the smart bracelet in our hand. I turned the lights a little off and we can now see a bit better what we are doing here. So let's go to the sports first. Press and hold. We have run, badminton, climb, ride, and this was all. So let's go ahead to the run, and we can see the seconds that are going. We have our burned calories, and I don't think we have any other information. So this was the sport mode. We have heart rate. Let's test that as well. Now let test begin. As you can see, it's still measuring. And it just vibrates and goes out of heart rate. I don't think it's got any result. Now we have here the blood pressure. Here we have some result from the blood pressure. Let's go now to the blood oxygen. We have the first result, as you can see, from the blood oxygen test. And this was the blood oxygen test. We don't have any more option to test. So I guess this was all for the Z7 smart bracelet. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And I want to thank you all for supporting our channel. Keep hitting the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel for more smart stuff. And we will see you in the next time.